Yo, check this out, yo. I'm right here at the construction site, and I got people following me everywhere I go. It's funny how that works, right? This is what it's like to be a targeted individual. You look at the lady looking back, like she doesn't know what's going on. You know what you're doing. Fucking assholes. I'm right here. See, normally it's Monday on the moon's day. These houses are empty, and just trying to get some alone time just outside. But you know, you can't even do that anymore with all the you know, high quality surveillance. Thanks a lot, secret government. All the high quality surveillance can't be alone anymore, you know. But that's all for today, y'all. I mean, I already know what I want to do. This is just another day in the simulation.